Alright, what's up, Amayan? In this video, I'm going to show you the only way that I found to enable the dark mode natively on VLC Media Player. So as you can see, this is the June 20 of 2024 version of VLC Media Player, which is the 3.0.1, and there is currently no update available through the official ways, but there is an stable version of update. As you can see, go to the preferences, there is no way of enabling the dark mode. Only if you get that update, the dark mode is available in that option. And how I find out that, I will show you right here. So let me just close everything. There is no way to get the dark mode in this version of VLC Media Player, which is the 3.0.21. If you search for VLC Media Player and go to their official website, their official website does not have an update yet, but maybe in the future. But so I'm just gonna close it off, and to get that update, all you have to do is open up your command prompt, cmd, and use the winget utility. Search for winget search VLC. If you are subscribed to my channel, you know why I use winget. If you wanna know more about it, links are always given in the description. So in here you can see there is the 3.0.22 version, which is the updated alpha version of the VLC Media Player and not the nightly version, which is right here. This update is only available on Widget. It was available on the official website but was removed for some reason. I don't know why, but we're going to need that update. So we're gonna search for VLC install winget install videoline.vlc and hit enter. Just type in the ID and hit enter. This will start downloading the updated version of VLC Media Player, and it will automatically install and update the VLC Media Player without having you to do anything else. Now all you need to do is wait for as long as the download is completed. This might take some time. It mainly depends on the speed of your internet connection. So I'm just gonna stop talking right now. Okay, now the download is complete. Just say yes to the prompt and it will start updating your current version of VLC Media Player, which is the 3.0.21 version, to the 3.0.22 version, which I did not found any new versions on the website or the official update page, but still you get the updated version right here. As you can see in the update section, we have the November version of the November 2025 version 3.0.22. Let's check for updates. No new updates are found because this is the latest version, which might come out in the future. This is just early access to this. In the preferences, you can see we have a new set of options. The one that we need is the use a dark palette. If you check it and hit save, this will transition into the dark mode, but at first it might look weird because that is not properly applied. If you close it and open it again, you get the properly applied dark mode for VLC, and this is working very fine, nothing to be worried about. So this is how you get the dark mode for VLC Media Player, and it is very nice and very satisfying. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.